Use your electronics inside the vehicle with an indoor V2L power outlet. Connect the adapter to the indoor V2L power outlet. When the light is blue, it is in standby. Green means the power supply is normal. Red means a power supply is not available. Activating utility mode enables long-term use of V2L. Opening the charging door while using indoor V2L will turn off the electricity. Connecting electronics to the outdoor V2L power outlet with a V2L connector. And other electronics to the indoor V2L power outlet. Enables use both indoors and outdoors simultaneously.
Kia, movement that inspires.